Good luck
Nobody.
din.
Pawi ka
Sana
next time.
manalo kayo ng 1-5 lahat. O yung maglalaro na ako mga madam talaga. Kasi hinahanap na ako. Bye-bye.
Madam, last game mo na shoutcast to. Sige na, halika na.
Grabe namang last na shout kasi parang hindi na pag-shout.
Hindi naman talaga ako shoutcaster.
Okay lang yun. Pero yan. Ayan.
Ikaw na si
We're
Mama
here.
dyan.
Game number 3.
Bye-bye,
Okay.
madam.
Bye-bye,
Hmm.
everyone. Bye-bye.
Ay, madam.
Have a nice one. Pero, yan. Hi. Hi, guys.
Ayan na.
Miss ka na ba niya? Miss mo na ba siya? Ay, draft picking na nga pala tayo ngayon sa ating game number 3 dito sa dito sa ating Swarm Liga. No, we have game number 3. Wicked Seek Esports Dream Team versus random team number 2. And of course, makikita naman natin dito sa ating banning phase that WSE has banned a Mordekaiser and a Galio. And dito naman sa random team 2, nagban na sila ng Zeri kasi mukhang ayun na nga, di ba? Kaya mukhang magkakaroon na dito ng magandang drafting. And kitang-kita naman natin dito sa ating WSE na talagang this is something na nakakatakot. And of course, you have our random team number 2 banning a Yuumi. No, kanina pa to nababan ang Yuumi, both blue side and red side. They really don't want the threat of having that carry giving buffs to everybody and providing that additional boost sa kanyang kakampi. And of course, the WSE, they have banned a Ambessa, no? Napakasakit pa rin ng Ambessa after the tweaks, after the nerfs. Talagang maano siya. Talagang nakakatakot pa rin siya. And of course, they have banned a Camille, and maybe this Camille ban is targeted towards DT Baron, and who will provide the first pick of the game here tonight. And mukhang nag-rumble pick na siya. No? Talagang hindi na siya nagpatumpik pa. They secured the rumble. They had to get that opportunity out there and to get that lead that they need. And of course, shout out dyan. So 41 viewers na nanonood, and I hope that you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful night. And dito naman sa ating team number 2, they have picked a Nautilus. And this is something na, you know, Nautilus, kahit hindi ko siya na ganun nakikitaan ng, paano ba? Hindi ko siya masyadong nakikita ngayon sa rank games ko kasi hard stock ako. Pero I can say that even in the jungle, kung marunong talaga kayo rotate as a team, marunong kayo mag-communicate as a team, talagang nakakatakot siyang kalaban, especially with the equipment, with the kit that he has to provide against his enemies. And of course, makikita naman natin dito that the WSE, mag-ano sila? They're gonna go for they're not going, but rather hovering for a Blitzcrank to actually, ano ba to? Pampitas. But no, they're going for a Viego pick in 3, 2, 1 and a Brand. Pero mukhang nag-hover pa to kasi nakaban ng Galio. Pero open ang Lissandra. No, open ang Lissandra. May laban SSE. Wala po, Kino. Wala po. Wala pong laban dito ang SSE. Pero ayun, nakikita naman natin dito that we have a Yone pick. Probably will go in the mid lane. And of course, last pick for our first phase in the drafting phase dito sa random team 2, which is still undecided. Pero we'll see in a few more seconds here. Oh, nag-Nar na sila. They went for a Nar pick, no? Actually, Nar, masakit. Actually, kung marunong talaga kayo maglaro ng Nar, masakit talaga siya. Yung kit niya, nakakatakot siya. Although as someone who, of course, hindi naman ako OG PC player or anything like that, no, talaga nakakatakot siya. And we're here now for the second phase of the drafting, rather by the banning phase. Of course, they have banned Severe, and nakita naman natin yung impact ng isang Severe kanina sa last 2 matches natin. Talaga nakakatakot, no? With the movement speed, with the spell shield, it's just something you don't want to snowball at against you kasi talagang mahirap siyang habulin. Kaya sa mga naghahabol dyan, make sure na may pasensya kayo na maghabol kasi mahirap na kung ikaw yung habol ay mapapagod ka rin. Pero of course, nag-ban na rin sila dito ng isang Milyo and with the amount of CC, pero wala naman atang CC dito ang team ni ng Wicked Sick Esports eh. So maybe there's something up why they don't want to have, no? They don't want that to have. Pero mukhang nagtapos na ang banning phase, no? Nagban silang Akali and Alessandra. No, Alessandra, good for peel-offs, for prioritizing a very dangerous player in the team fight, and of course Akali to avoid or deny access in the backlines, especially na ang lineup ng Wicked Sick Esports dito is pwedeng possible na kayang mapitas ni Akali. Pero ayun, antay na lang natin to, no, na matapos ang picking phase on the side of Wicked Sick Esports Dream Team versus Random Team 2, and hovering sa isang enchanter na babagay sa kanilang lineup. And I guess Sona might actually be a better pick here dito sa ating lineup for tonight. Pero yun, they're actually planning to go for a Amumu pick, no? This is something na talagang wombo combo na lang ang mangyayari dito sa lineup ng dalawang teams. And of course, they have finished their picking, rather drafting phase here for the third game tonight. And magiging interesting na match-up ito. Pero ayun, habang picking phase pa naman, no? I'll be back for until magsimula ang game, no? I'll just go on a short break habang loading pa ang screen natin. So, stay tuned everyone, and I'll be back for a few minutes.
Go lang, water break ka muna.
Totoo. Madam Nikki!
basta ako nakatulog ako kanina. Wala akong alam.
Pero Madam Nikki, sa game na to, sinong gusto mong manalo? What team are you rooting for?
Siyempre dun tayo sa mga friends ko. Magiging bias tayo. Yan, so I'm a good friend with one team dyan. Isipin na lang kung anong team. Pero, yeah, I'm a very good friend of one of the teams dyan sa game na to. Ikaw ba? Though, wait lang though actually madalas ko nakikita talaga sa mga tournament like this, si DT Baron. And I just figured na meron pala silang DT na team, Dream Team. And I think this is under Wicked Sick Esports, under nila po yan. So, I think we will expect a very good game sa ganito. Ikaw ba? May bias ka ba sa team na to?
Actually, meron akong syempre, doon tayo sa mga friends natin na team. Pero, based sa mga fights kanina pa lumalabas yung NAR. Kaso, yung nakakakuha ng NAR na team is always Talon. So, maybe kung nanalo sila ngayon, I'm not sure. Pero based on team composition, I'm rooting for WSED. Kasi with the amount of damage na kayang ibigay ng mga
Yeah.
champions, especially yung Rumble with the AOE Ultimate.
Yeah. Tama yan.
True.
Agree. Actually, that's what I also love about Sona. Yung crowd control skills niya. And I think kayang tapatan din ng mga ang dami rin CC ng red team eh. We have Lux, Amumu, third ni Saya, and especially si Nautilus. Like,
Si Nautilus.
good luck. Good luck sa CC.
Yes.
Nung ano,
Hindi ka papagalawin talaga ng red team dito.
true. And guys, again, hindi ako good shoutcaster kasi I've tried that, hindi ko alam kung last week ata yun. It comes out naturally yung namumuksa ako ng players ko pag shoutcast. Kitang-kita ko yung mga mali at yun yung mga yun yung mga tinitingnan ko. Kaya hindi ako pwede sa ganito. Yeah.
Oh.
Ayan si Pew.
Si Zian, andyan si Pew.
In a way.
I actually love the talk, no, yung analyzation nyo. Tama nga kayo na in terms of CC, malakas dito ang CC ng Random Team 2, and of course yung damage output naman will actually be with the Wicked Stick Esports, no, sa team ni na Baron and ni na Obito. Pero hopefully sana mahanapan nila ng butas to, kasi with the Sona's help, no, with the Sona's crowd control, the sustain and everything, talagang I guess may hirapan talaga siguro ang Random Team 2 dito. Pero yun nga, no, nakikita natin Ayatsushi going in for the aggressive here. Mamaya, basa niyo. Mamaya! Anyways, paano ba?
Ayun. Was it the first kill?
Ayun kasi pag panganay, kailangan maghugas eh.
Oh my gosh. Kaya pala. Sabi ko mamaya, okay. Ako muna maghuhugas. Sige, punta muna ako dyan. Mag-angkas muna. Ay, mag-ano muna ako.
Pero ayun, sa dalawa nating mga madam dito, pa-take over muna.
Sige lang.
Sige.
Sige, Moy. Go. Ilaban mo na yan.
Go try.
Pero sige. Sige, kaya natin to.
Kaya natin to.
Again, pasensya na sa mga sa team na to kung mapupuksa ko kayo. Pero I'll do my best.
The trifecta
Don't
will
show,
do the best. We'll do our best. Pero as we see kanina, di ba, First Blood, nakuha yon ng Ezreal from the WSE. But it was traded by Amumu jungle. Napatay niya yung Rumble sa top lane. So that's a 1-1 trade for both teams.
Pero lamang pa din yung naka-first blood kasi that's additional gold.
Yeah.
Diba? So we will still always go with the first blood.
When it comes to madam, gold difference, it's like 800 to 900 gold yung difference as of now pa lang naman. So it's not big, mahahabol pa to ng red.
Oh yeah. Very, very, very early pa. Lalo na si Sarah, scaling champ as well. And si Luxon habang tumatagal sumasakit yan.
Yeah. And very tanky later si Nautilus dito and Amumu when it comes to team fight. So I think it's better for the blue team na paghiwa-hiwalayin sila compared to engage in a team fight dito.
Ay, nag-attempt SSN ng Ezreal yung Lux. Sorry, tayo yun kasi nakikita ko eh. Tumama ba? Kita na
Hindi
tanong, tumama ba?
Dito sure.
Hindi kami sure kung tumama pero
Ayan. Oh my God. I cannot.
so So, 5 seconds na lang mag-spawn na yung ating mga first objective. Yung ensemble and the dragon. The dragon would be a mountain drake. So, anong ipa-prioritize ng mga team natin dito? For you, Madam Nikki and Navus, anong ipa-prioritize nyo dito? Dragon or yung ensemble?
Wala, susunod
Ako
lang ako sa
sarili,
jungler.
Ako sarili.
Ako sa jungler.
Darap lang.
Siya magde-decide eh.
Yes. Unahin ang sarili bago ang iba. Tamang desisyon.
Kapag kasi pumunta ako sa DR, tapos nasa ano pala siya, ensemble, wala din. Papitas lang ako.
Ayun, pinader na. Mapupuksa kaya ng Rumble ang Nar. Ay, patay ang Lux. Hoy,
sa mid lane,
namatay ba? Namatay ang Rumble?
Yan, namatay.
Oh!
Si ano,
Namatay yung Nar.
Nar. Bali
Versus
namatay si
Rumble.
Nar and si Lux.
Sila sa mid
Dalawa yung
lane.
napitas. Ay, hindi. Tigisa sila na napitas.
Grabe naman, parang fina-fast game.
Go lang dahil
Ay,
hindi
ano
daw
na
marunong mga
mag-enjoy.
shoutcaster, kaya fast game na lang.
Oo nga, actually tama pala yung decision niya. Sige, bilisan
May
niyo.
desisyon.
Oras na rin kasi, di pa ako nakapag-live din eh, oh.
Oh my gosh.
So ikaw,
Pero
Madam Dragon, na say Amumu main, anong comment mo naman sa rotation ni CE Revenge and mga galawan niya as Amumu?
Oh my gosh, ito na.
Siyempre, hot seat kita pa namin pag-usapan.
Ano to?
Well, 2-0
Sunday
siya.
puksaan pala to.
Well, 2-0 siya. Maganda yung rotation niya actually kasi nung early kanina, napatay niya agad yung Rumble. So, yeah, maganda yung rotation niya.
Pero going
Ganito
back to dun sa question kanina, kasi alam ko case-to-case basis, normally, kapag nalalamang kayo sa push, like, na nakapag first tower na kayo or parang low health na yung mga towers, you would go for the dragon. Kasi mabilis na lang, if nasa ganong point na kayo na mabilis, ay na, nagpupuksaan na, pinader ni Nar, ang dalawa. Tingnan natin kung,
Sana all pinapader.
ay na.
Ay.
Oh,
Oh,
that's a
DT
good-
Baron, muntikan
that's a
yan ang
good-
It's a
skin mo
good
doon.
trade.
Nice, that's a good one.
Actually, kapag ganyan, parang case-to-case basis nga, may mga nagbe-base naman na kung wari, if yung mga DR lane nyo is mga baog, so hindi na kayo magdi-DR. So, mag-ano na nun kayo sa ensemble na. Kasi parang makaka-help yun yung DR lane nyo sa'yo sa pagkuha ng objectives. Kasi kapag nag-bot lane ka nun, parang mahihirapan kayo kasi nga, baog sila sa lane nila. So, kapag kumano, ayun.
Makes sense. And sometimes
Tapos, like,
ito, sorry, nakuha ba nila parehas ng dragon and yung unsung?
No, trade lang yung trade yung objective. Mountain Drake was taken by the red team and the ensemble was taken by the blue team.
Mhm.
So,
Really?
Yeah.
Blue team na
Yes.
ng
ensemble. And they, binaba nila yun sa mid lane kaya na-push nila until second tower. And doon nila na-pick off si Lux a while ago.
It's a good strategy din kasi parang lamang na yung mid. So, mas mabilis, mas malalim siya, mas mabilis siyang ma-push. So, yeah. So, depende talaga actually. Depende rin how your team will strategize dun sa entire, yung holistic approach. Oh, na.
Yes.
Naka.
At ayun po, natulala ang trifecta, hindi na nakapagsalita.
Hindi na mag-comment.
So,
Sorry,
tatlo po
kasi
yung
hindi ko
napitas
rin mabuti.
sa red side. Props sila dun, ha?
Yes. Actually, red yung nag-engage doon for a team fight pero sila yung
Yeah.
natalo doon. 2-4-1 yung trade.
Kasi ang ganda nung disengage nun ng Sona, nawala yung momentum
Yes.
nila para makapag-respo agad yung mga malapit na kampi ng mga blue side dun. Kahit na namatay din yung Sona dun. Wala nagsasalita nung nagka-clash, sabi ni Kape. Pasok ka dito.
Yeah.
Ikaw,
We
tumigil.
will reserve it a dub. Ida-dub na lang natin kapag pinost yung highlights.
Tapos, analyzation kami.
Okay. At least okay na yun, di ba?
Ay, sino yun? I see, and hi, welcome back. Kailangan
Malinis na po. Pero of course here, we have the Ice Dragon has spawned in. And we can see here na nagpe-prepare na dito ang team ng WSE. Pero mukhang nakahuli pa dito ang random dito. But no, the Yone getting 3 there. And that wonderful cash. Pero masisecure dito ng random team 2 ang Dragon. And unti-unti na namamatay dito ang Dream Team, and honestly 4 ang namatay sa Dream Team, and of course the Baron trying to survive as much, and mukhang makaklatch pa ba ito? No, hindi. And well, he already got one, though that's enough, pero it's still not enough. Ayan, okay na ba? Kayo naman ang natahimik. Thank you.
Thank you, Dion.
Wala pag clash talaga, stand lang kami nanonood. Okay, sige, i-dub na lang natin later.
Yeah, para kaming naultihan, na-stand kami, gano'n.
Yeah.
No,
Stand kami ng engage ng red team doon. Kaya di wala nagsalita.
Ito ang galing ng Amumu set.
Kayo ang stand ng Amumu. Grabe, no? Actually, pang ilang dragon na ba ng random team to? Hindi ko ilan na ba ang stats? It's 1-1 dragon. 1-1 dragon. No, so basically wala tayong makukuhang walang soul na makukuha ang both teams since they both have 1 dragon each, and of course Ayatsuji here is a bit tended. No, kasi mahirap lumaban ng kasi medyo lamang ang Amumu in terms of actually against physical damage champs na medyo lamang, pero of course may isa tayong kasama dito, and Baron going against Void there, and mapapatay niya ba si Nar? No, hindi, mabubuhay pa si Nar, and of course no, with that second flash mapapatay niya doon si Erebus Hellostor. And grabe, no, maganda ang pinakita dito ng WSE at the moment. No, they have no vision sa Baron. No, they're going to do their own work. Series just clearing and of course pushing the wave. And ayan na si Series, mauhuli niya ba? No, wala siyang mapapatay doon, pero it's actually worth it since makakapush siya ng isang Tori doon, and looks like WSE is just lingering, but no, looks like there's actually starting to go for the Baron, and 7CE Revenge here nakakaramdam na feeling ko na sa Baron to pero looks like WSE here will actually lay low for a bit kasi kompleto dito ang team ng Random Team 2, and of course mag-start na sila ng Baron, and Random Team 2 is actually very confident in that pick of them, and si Ayatsuji medyo malayo sa kanyang Baron, and maaagaw ba? No! Actually no, naagaw ng WSE ang Baron Nashor, and what a steal by Ayatsuji there. No, grabe. Na tayo dito. And of course, mapapatay pa siya doon ng Amumu. Kinulang na siya ng damage. But that was a wonderful steal plus a kill by Ayatsuji. No? Hindi, actually, ang bilis ng pangyayari. Akala ko na na-secure ng Random Team 2 ang Baron. Pero actually, naagaw pa pala ni Ayatsuji. And that was a wonderful play doon na ginawa ng WSE Dream Team. And of course, shout out dyan sa Wicked Sick Esports na aking home guild. No, you guys are doing great, and of course, hindi mo na ako magiging bias kasi caster tayo tonight. Pero of course, alam kong mananalo kayo. Pero ayun, pero ayun, sorry, nawala ako ng akala ko may narinig ako nag-uutos sa akin.
May trauma na.
Nga nangyayari kasi yun. Na nagpo-broadcast ako, inuutusan ako. Nagsha-shoutcast ako, inuutusan ako. And of course, the last Dragon the Infernal Drake has spawned in. And well, wala naman sigurong benefit kung makuha ito ng both teams, no? Kasi wala namang competition for a soul. And ang magiging threat lang naman talaga dito is ang Elder and Baron. Pero eto na, grabe yung zone, no? Kahit alam na tanky tanky ang side dito ng Dream team, random team 2. No, hindi nila na-underestimate eh. No, kasi nakakapatay pa rin sila. And of course, si Baron will be going down with the hands of the Lux. And Ayatsuji going for that scary jump scare tactic na ginawa niya doon. And of course, wait, naglalag siya sa akin. Pero what a set by our Amumu who will actually magbabackfire sa kanila yon. No, nakakuha ng 4 dito ang WSE while random team 2 nakakuha lang sila ng 2 getting the jungler. And grabe naman yung bait na ginawa niya doon. Of course, you can see that Ayatsuji going in for the aggressive and magbaback off na muna siya dito kasi masakit na ang defense items ni and we can see here that the itemization is just very very clever and very very smart, no? Na naka ano si series, naka ano siya, what's that item again, yung extra life, forgot the name, pero actually yung passive niya kapag nag low health ka, may extra survivability ka in which can actually either turn the tide of the game or provide extra support sa team mo, especially kung medyo tank base ka or you have to actually stall time. And of course, series with a wonderful ultimate there na hindi natin nakita, pero of course grabe naman yung damage dito ni Yasuji, getting that Darna down to 1/16 of his health. And of course we can see here Yasuji going for a flank, pero mukhang makakahuli pa siya ata siya dito and makakapatay siya. Nautilus down by the hands of the Ruined King. And grabe na yung pressure, and I guess this is the time na they're very confident na magbabaron na sila dito. And we can see that Ayatsuji will be going down by the hands of the Amumu. Medyo overconfident siya doon. And this actually gives the team of actually akala ko medyo magkakaroon ng leverage eh. Pero mahuhuli pa rin dito si Lux. Unti-unti nang napipitas ang team 2 and Darna just going in for the split push. And we can see here that medyo mahihirapan na sila. No, but we can see here on the top side, no, inuunti-unti na ni Series, inuunti-unti niya nang tinutunaw ang armor ng random team 2, and makikita naman natin ang damage output ng ating WSE. Talagang malupit. Back up na ba, coach? Kaya mo yan. Ay, shoutout kay Sky, by the way, and of course sa isa nating shoutcaster dyan na si Pandesol, no? And eto, nakikita naman natin na lamang ang WSE. Pero masisecure ba ng random team to ang na-secure ng random team to ang Elder? This is just a a leverage for random team to, pero mapapatay ata siya dito. Mapapatay ata dito ang ating Amumu, pero no, mabubuhay pa pala. Ito na ang gusto ng random, but no, never mind. Akala ko makaka-survive pa si Nautilus dun, pero grabe na talaga ang damage output ng isang Rumble dito, especially with that magic damage, no, mahirap nang sabayan. Pero medyo lamang pa rin dito ang WSE. We can see that their damage output is still high despite all of that armor that random team 2 has. And this is just because yung lineup nila is consisting of both physical and magic damage. No? Kumbaga, mix talaga. Kaya di mo talaga alam kung anong defense ang ipaprayo mo. And we can see here that they're just actually putting in the work. No? Makakahanap sila ng angulo, they're gonna go for it. Makakahanap sila ng solo, they're gonna go for it. And of course, nakitaan na nila dito, no, Amumu going solo, trying to secure, no, he goes for the ulti to actually escape. Mabubuhay siya doon. Pero I think, will that be enough to stop WSE from getting that win? And of course, we only have 35 seconds left before the Elder Dragon of the Dream Team 2 expires. Pero ayun nga, shout out dyan sa ating viewers. If as I've mentioned, if you guys like and enjoy these types of tournaments, these types of shoutcasts, and of course these types of gameplay, make sure you follow the Swarm page, the Swarm TikTok page, and of course magbigay kayo ng hearts dito sa TikTok para of course dumami yung engagement natin. Pero here, go back to the game. Grabe naman yung damage ng Sidon against Ezreal. Talagang sumasakit na si Darna, no? Yung bato nang nagpapalakas kay Darna andyan na, nalunok niya na, no? Pero will that be enough to actually turn the tides against WSE? And of course, Dream Team number 2 is just defending their base as long as they can. And of course, you can see here that Baron is putting in work and split pushing, providing enough pressure sa lane. And dito medyo umaarangkada na. Of course, we have 35 seconds left before the spawn of the Baron Nashor. Ayatsuji, medyo malalim siya doon. Mauhuli siya doon ng isang Amumu. And of course, mauhuli rin doon ang Sona. And dito na nga ang turnaround na hinahantay ng Random Team 2. No, kahit may Baron buff pa sila, they have to find an angle. No, ito yung hinahanap na angulo na gusto ng Random Team 2. And of course, hindi mo na magiging kampante dito ang Dream Team because they know that they can't just go in immediately with how the pressure and the damage of Amumu plus the health of Lux. No, talaga nakakatakot. And of course, yung threat ng Nor andyan. And nakikita natin, will Random Team to actually secure this? Or will it be a flop? But no, masisecure ito ng Random Team to, and unti-unti na silang mapipitas dito. But of course, Baron is just surviving as long as he can. Pero mapapatay dito ang Amumu, ang Lux, and of course, ang ating Saya. And will it be enough for them? And we can see here that dalawa na lang ang natira sa side ng Random Team 2. And dito magpupush na sila. They're gonna go for the push. No, they're gonna go for the win. They're gonna look for a win, for an angle to get that win for tonight. And dito, medyo ayaw muna nilang isagad. They're gonna go lay low for a bit kasi papabor sa kanila na may Elder na magsuspawn ulit dito. And of course, mukhang masesecure dito ng ating Dream Team ang Elder Dragon, and that's gonna cost them, and that's gonna cost Random Team 2 a lot kasi yung damage output na meron sila is something that you just can't mess with. And ayun, sorry, medyo nawala ako ng onti doon. Pero yun nga, wala na. Actually, pa-expire na rin yung Baron Nashor ng Random Team 2 and medyo fresh pa. Medyo fresh pa ang ano dito ng Dream Team, ang Elder buff ng Dream Team. And of course, nakikita natin Diego looking, and look at that damage against that Nautilus. Napakasakit naman talaga. And ngunit mapapatay pa rin talaga dito si Ayatsuji. Kinukulang pa rin ang damage na meron siya, no, against the Amumu. And of course, unti-unti nang naghahabulan dito. Grabe yung defense na meron ang team number 2, no? Kumbaga yung saying na defense is the best offense at times, no? Talagang dito na nakikita natin na it's at work. Pero of course, medyo push na rin naman ang towers dito ng Random Team 2. Pero will it be enough to get and secure the win against them? Of course, DT Obito going a bit aggressive and overextended pero mahuhuli pa siya ni Darna doon. And Sirius will just try to run away as far as he can. And mga isi-save na lang nila ito for the later clashes. And grabe, no, the amount of clashes that these teams have or had is just amazing. No, clash after clash, trades after trades. Pero of course, medyo yun na, napitas na dito si Darna by Sirius, and that was an actually good peel off, no, kasi magsuspawn na rin yung Baron Nashor. So that gives him a little bit of an advantage in terms of creating space actually, kasi napatay nila yung damage dealer ng random team 2. And of course, Baron providing that enough damage, and of course yung zoning capabilities na ginagawa dito ni Baron just there. And of course, ayan na nga, nakikita natin is that kinahabol na ng Dream Team ang Team 2. And what a 3-man stun there. Pero it will not be enough for them to actually get this. Pero ayan na, Team number 2 just falling short here sa damage, no? Will they be able to defend it? But of course, Dream Team will surely win the game number 3 for tonight. Grabing performance ng Dream Team, although nauhuli si Ayatsuji kanina that gave Team number 2 leverage, enough leverage na makabawi ang Team number 2. It's still not enough for random Team number 2 to actually win the game, and it actually proved here na talagang malakas ang Dream Team. But no, what I'm trying to say is that parehas sa malakas ang teams natin, talagang yung synergy ng Dream Team is just there and fighting talaga.